The tech tool that I was assigned is called KidBlog. First, go to the search engine and search KidBlog. You will then click on the first link. KidBlog is a safe place where students can publish their own writings with other students and teachers. We might use KidBlog because it gives teachers the ability to teach students about tools to publish in a safe manner. Teachers can monitor and approve what is posted by their students. Teachers can also document students' learning over a period of time. We might also use this to empower students to write with a meaningful purpose. Students can make connections with other students that are either nearby or all over the world. Students can also practice digital citizenship with a protected environment. I like that because digital citizenship is something that we learned about and I think is important. Students can personalize each of their posts however they want. Student profiles are built automatically because it is all right there. Now I'm going to click on Login in the top right-hand corner of the screen. I'm going to log in using a Google account. As the teacher, you would want to create a new class. As a student, you will want to enter a join code. I'm going to create a new class. I'm going to name it EDUC 265. In the description, I'm going to put Tech Tool. And then I'm going to click Create Class. Now I'm going to go to my name at the top right side of the screen, and then I'm going to click on Profile. Once I click on that, I'm going to find the class that I created and click on it, and it will bring you to the class homepage, and this is the foundation of KidBlog. Once you begin publishing, posts will begin to appear. On the right side of your screen, you will see these three boxes. You can view posts three different ways: the traditional list view, the abstract view, and a new title view. At the top left, you will see Settings. Click on it. It will take you to a page where it gives you multiple categories at the top. The General will allow you to choose an avatar to be your profile. They give you many photos to choose from. You would add a photo, and then at the right you would use as avatar. It also gives you the amount of students that are in this class and also the class settings. At the top, if you click on Themes and Sidebar, the theme will be the background of your classroom. So you would activate it, and then to the right is the widgets you would choose that you would want on your sidebar of the home screen. At the top, if you click on Users, that is anyone that uses the class KidBlog that you created. At the top, there is Privacy, and this is an important feature because students may specify a different audience for each post, but the teacher is in control of which audience is available and if the post requires approval before it is published. You can choose if the posts are published privately to the teacher, to the classmates, to connected classrooms, or to the public. Teachers can control who may leave comments and if they require approval before they can be viewed. At the top, if you click on Categories, you can assign a specific category to make finding posts easier later if you need to find them again. Up at the top, if you click on Connections, this is another important feature because it allows you to follow and to be followed by classes all over the world. The last one is Reports. This just gives you statistics of the number of posts that are being created. And now I will meet you back at the home page. When creating new posts, You will want to click on New Post at the top right hand of the page. The new post editor provides a clean canvas to create posts. You may personalize each post with a header image, and this also gives you many different photos to choose from. You just add it, and then at the right you hit insert. You can also change the background colors and the background textures. You can also change the fonts, and you would add a title to your post. And then you can add any links, embedded work, videos, or photos. After the writing process, you may save your work as a draft up at the top right, or you can ask the teacher to review it and give you feedback. Once you are ready to publish, hit publish, and then choose the audience that is approved by the teacher. I'm going to choose my classmates to be able to view it, and then you hit publish. Now the post is visible to the approved audience. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.